bulge it a little bit right here. See how I'm cracking the You can just do maybe about a minute. All I did was jack it up. You want to make sure you find the metal part underneath there. And once you get it in the right location, then you jack it up. And you're gonna, but first, I guess the advice is to undo your lugs while the car is still down on the wheels, while it's still on the ground. You do your lugs, you break them lefty loosey, righty tighty. So you do it to the left to crank it to break it, and then you 5 of them. Once you break them all off, then you jack your car up. When you jack it up, then now you got your lugs already loosened. All you gotta do is take that wheel off, slide this one on, and now it's about righty-tighty to tighten all of them. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna start tightening them, and I'm gonna let the wheel get back on the ground, and then I'm gonna try to put all the rest of put the strength into it to try to make sure it don't go anywhere. Tomorrow I'll go to the mechanic's shop and get it fixed. I just bought tires and there's something wrong with them, so sometimes that happens. Keep your receipts. I think I may have misplaced mine, but keep your receipt so you can go in and prove something. And if you lose your receipt, I would always make sure you remember the time frame that you went in. So for me, it was Thursday, about between 4 and 5 p.m. is where it should have inside of their system where I paid. So to do something about this tire right here that got some, look at this here. This is the tire, and there's stuff wrong with this tire. Something is wrong. Right here, I think, see? What? I don't know. Some places, right here. See that? Now, this could have came like this. So, this is a used tire. So, when y'all get used tires, you got to watch it. Sometimes this happens. Like the lottery. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. See? But I take this off for the mechanic tomorrow, not wasting time. He can just take this tire instead of trying to take it off. I did a lot of the work for him, even though I've already paid for this process. But anyway, that's it. So you guys see how you first, you do the lugs on this tire. You use the pressure, do the lugs first, loosen your lugs, then you jack your car up, take your tire off, put the new spare on, put them on there, do some kind of hand tightening, and then once you lower the car back down, then you do your last pieces of pressure for your tightness, and that should be it.